In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks ClickUp tutorial. Let's start by heading to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to access your workspace. When prompted, select your Google account to complete the sign-in. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in, navigate to the team space you want to work with. Think of a space as the highest level container for a department, project, or team. Click into the space that holds the work you want to organize. Then open the folder where your tasks live. Folders help group related lists and tasks, so this is the best place to make sure you're looking at the right set of items. Inside your folder, locate the tasks you want to group. You'll see a checkbox to the left of each task name. Click the checkbox beside your first task to select it. Then, click the checkbox for the next task you want to include. Continue marking any additional tasks that belong together. As you select multiple tasks, a bulk action toolbar will appear at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your layout. With those tasks selected, choose Convert to Subtasks from the bulk action options. This command nests the selected tasks beneath a single parent, which is perfect when several items share the same goal or belong under a larger deliverable. It's a clean way to reduce clutter in your list while keeping everything connected. You'll be asked to pick the parent task. Select Task 1 to serve as the parent. This tells ClickUp to move the selected tasks under Task 1 so they become subtasks, inheriting the relationship while keeping their original details like assignees and due dates intact unless you change them later. Now open Task 1 to review the results. You'll see an expandable subtask section showing every task you grouped. This view lets you track progress at a glance, roll up estimates, and keep conversations focused under a single umbrella. If anything looks off, you can adjust order, assignees, or dates right from the parent task's subtask list. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see checkboxes, switch to list view where bulk selection is easiest. Make sure you have permission to edit these tasks within your space. And remember, grouping as subtasks is about clarity. Use it when several tasks clearly roll up into one parent outcome. That's it. You've grouped related tasks by converting them to subtasks under a single parent, giving your ClickUp workspace a cleaner, more organized structure.